for all vehicles, except four-wheel drive with snow tires. Motorists carrying chains may proceed. The rest of this message applies to all vehicles not carrying chains. Continuing is not recommended. There may be congestion and delay in the chain-on area, and vehicles not carrying chains will be turned around. This is W.
We're going to Tahoe! Alright, here we go. This is Zombie Apocalypse. Damn, that's a white out. Going down Tahoe Mountain. To record this for a minute. Alright, I'll just keep going. That's good. It sounds fine. Okay. That's nuts. It's crazy. It's crazy. This road's gonna get shut down.